Oh, go on, G.
Oh, go on.
Bro, let's get this working, bro.
What's the COVID saying, bro?
Huh?
What's the COVID saying? What's the recovery saying for it?
Nah, it's alright, you know. It's alright. First time in the gym, innit? First time in the gym today.
So how long you been at home now?
Huh?
How long you been at home now?
Um, since Wednesday night.
Bro, you looking warm lately, you know?
Huh?
You looking warm lately, bro.
Hey, man. What you saying?
Come on, my guy. Bro, I'm good, man. I'm good. Still recovering, bro. Getting stronger every day, bro.
You back training now, yeah?
No, not yet. Soon. Fingers
Yeah.
crossed. Fingers crossed, my G. I miss you, my brother.
Yo, look after yourself, my bro.
Come on, man. I'll see you
know that.
soon. I'll see you soon.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
Ciao, ciao.
Say. We gone.